The whole leg.
Oh, you okay?
Macy Ray Ray.
Hi.
Macy, can you catch Danielle?
Why can't you go spiral?
Can he sit up there with you?
Spiral?
You want to go upside down?
Spiral?
You want to go upside down? Yeah? Here we go. Ready? Upside down.
Spiral?
All right, there you
Not a spiral?
go. Uh-oh. Who lost the heart? Is that your heart? There's a sticker. Here, does it go here?
Come on, catch!
Here, Macy, can you go sit next to Reed?
That ball can't hurt you. Whoa!
No? Okay.